guys!
Everything okay?
You two won't get away with this! This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Your team is out of control! Billdozer is destroying the city, and Rhinotrux stole all my ice cream!
What? Bill and Rhino? Those two wouldn't hurt a fly!
Well, tell that to Pookie! Billdozer tried to attack him!
There's something weird here. Don't worry, Katie. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny!
Batfly, Rhinotrux and Billdozer are wreaking havoc in the city! I know! You need to find out what's happening.
Don't worry, Johnny, I'm on it!
About?
We have to find them, Katie.
No, this looks really bad. Not so fast.
Wait, Batfly! We didn't do anything wrong!
You know I never steal from Katie!
If it wasn't you, who made all this mess? Your evil twins?
You were saying?
Find out where they're going. If only we had someone who looked just like them and could follow their way without being noticed.
Yeah, that would be great.
Oh, you meant us!
Come on, guys, let's get to the bottom of this.
Rhino, look at that!
The machine is making clones! We have to destroy it!
What do you think you're doing, you anima imposters?
This mayhem is about to be over, Vicky.
And how exactly are you going to stop me?
Ow! I'll take care of her, guys. You focus on the machine.
Let's ask for more help.
Hi, Billdozer!
Johnny, I need help to destroy Vicky's cloning machine.
Sure thing! Activating power up!
The clones are getting better! Hurry up, guys! Guys? Oh no, the clones got them! Don't worry, my friends, I got you!
Nice one, Batfly!
Come on, Bill. I'll stop them while you get the machine.
Sure thing.
Why so serious? Did you really expect me to surrender?
Surrender? Ha! I'm planning on defeating you.
What did you do, you stupid bull?
We did it! The clones are gone!
You're gonna pay for this!
Yeah, I don't think so.
It's over, Vicky!
Huh? I wouldn't be so sure about that, anima fools. Yes, slime everywhere. Oh no, we have to run. This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Vicky and evil Wheel of Fin are smearing the city with slime!
This is bad. I'll take care of the problem.
Hello. Hi, Johnny.
Listen up. Today, Evil Vicky and Evil Wheelathon are wreaking havoc in the city.
We will take care of it.
Don't worry, Johnny. Oh, wow! Look at that!
Yes! This has Vicky's signature all over it. Are you all right?
Well, more or less. Huh?
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Screws and bolts! It's useless!
Tires, I'll take care of it. Oh no, this is bad.
Why can't you dissolve it?
I think it's a different slime. It can only be dissolved with rainbow water.
And how do we get it?
I have an idea. If Wheelathon eats some of my rainbow ice cream, he'll be able to spray rainbow water.
Good idea!
But the ice cream is at my restaurant.
I'll go. You should try to get Katie out of the slime.
All right.
Oh no. Everything is covered in slime here, too. There's the ice cream. Oh, I wonder if this is enough. Yes! It works! And now to save the rest of my friends!
Please, come on!
Hello there.
That's enough, Vicky!
Evil Wheelathon. Let's cover this little kitty with slime.
What? Oh.
Hi, Wheelathon.
Hi, Johnny. I need the power-up. Can you help me?
Of course, my friend.
Now it's my turn, Vicky.
What's going on? Stop it right now!
Thanks, pal.
That's it. Now it's our turn to attack.
Hang in there, buddy. I'll help you.
Ow!
Bullseye!
Look! Vicky's trying to escape.
I'll take care of her.
Thanks, wee elephant.
You are welcome. And now I have to go help Tigers. Come on, buddy. Let's stop Vicky.
What was that? Oh no, please no.
You are under arrest.
Well then, I guess I'll have to use that rainbow water of yours. That rock hit you hard, didn't it, Batfly? Don't worry, Boolance will be here any second now. Boolance, we're over here! Stop it! What's wrong with you? That's right, my robot. Terrorize everyone. Let's go.
Hello, Bob. How can I help you?
Vicky and an evil Boolance are attacking everyone in the city!
Evil Boolance? Is everyone hurt?
Batfly is sick, but she was sick before the attack of the evil Boolance. But no one else seems to have been injured for the moment.
All right, I got it.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigers, first, I need you to go and help Batfly, and then you have to stop Vicky. She's wreaking havoc with an evil Boolance.
Don't worry, I'm on my way. You're all set, Batfly. Ah! Batfly, quick! Let's see what's going on. There they are! Quickly, Batfly! You save Nora!
On it!
And I'll take care of evil Boolance and Vicky. Hello there!
Oh, wait, what? Evil Boolance, you have a little kitten to play with. Get her at once! But what? Where is she? Get them! Ow! Where are you going, you hunk of junk?
You are under arrest. Now, time to help Batfly.
Wow, I have to stop this. Katie, watch out! Huh? Phew, that was close. Ah! No!
Ah! Got you! Batfly, go!
Thanks, Tigers. Tigers.
Johnny, I need a little help. I'll explain later. I need the power up now.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Stop another one.
Aww. Huh? Ow! No, wait, I'm under here! Watch out!
And now for our final destination. Thank you for traveling with Air Tigers.
Oh, you'll pay for this!
Don't worry, Vicky. It's on the house.
I think the new building will look great here.
No! Oh no! No! Oh no! Billdozer! Are you okay?
Oh no, he's gone crazy!
We have to call for help!
Hi, Bob. Everything okay?
Johnny, Billdozer hurt himself and now he's acting all crazy.
Don't worry, Bob. I got you.
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Billdozer is wreaking havoc. You need to check on him.
Billdozer? Our Billdozer?
Yeah, he's injured, and he could be dangerous.
No worries. We know what to do.
And Billdozer did all this?
See it for yourself, Traco.
Help! Someone help me!
Oh no! He's got Batfly! We have to rescue her!
Traco, you take care of Billdozer while I go get Batfly.
Come on, you can do it, Tigers!
Now let's help Traco.
Hello!
Be careful, guys! He's already hurt!
This isn't working! He's fast and strong!
We need to try something else.
Guys, I think we lost him!
He must have gone that way! Let's go get him! Billdozer, please don't do this. I promise I'll give you free ice cream.
That's enough, Bill.
If we want to stop him, I need to be faster.
Hi, Draco. Are you all right?
Johnny, I need your help to get Billdozer.
I got you. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Batfly, Tag Ears! Distract him while I trap him!
Come on, Draco, now's your chance!
There you go, pal.
Now let's get this big boy to the hospital.
You should be feeling okay now, buddy.
No, he's still crazy.
I'm just kidding, Draco. I'm fine.
Oh, you won't laugh so much when you see the mess you caused.
Thanks, Katie. You're welcome, Ed.
Hello, Katie. Do you have vanilla ice cream?
Sure, Billdozer. Huh? I'm sorry, Billdozer. Are you okay? He's gone mad. We need help. Here's Johnny. What can I help you with? Help us, Johnny. Billdozer got hit in the head and he's scaring everyone in the city.
Don't worry, Katie. The rescue team is on the case.
Hi, Johnny. What's the new mission?
Wheelifant, Billdozer is hurt and out of control. We must stop him before he hurts anyone.
All right, Johnny. You can count on me. Hi, guys.
Run, Wheelifant, run!
Boy, he looks mad.
We told you to run. You have to stop him, Wheelifant.
All right. Let me try something out. Sorry, Billdozer.
It looks like he's working. Is he okay? Oh no, he's still out of control. Hey, watch out! Oh no, Delibug.
Hey, pick on someone your own size. Well, I'm not really your size. He's too strong. If I want to stop him, I'll need some extra help.
Wheels, how's the mission going?
Johnny, we have a situation here. I need your help.
Okay, get ready for a power up.
big guy. Let's handle this.
He's very strong.
You give me no choice. Billdozer, are you all right?
Whoa, what's going on?
Bill, it's you again.
I think I got hit in the head or something.
Actually, you got hit twice. We have to check on the others. I'll tell you on the way.
Did I really do all that? I hope I didn't hurt anyone.
Run, guys, run!
Really? Again?
Hey, what's going on? Huh? Wait! Don't leave me alone! No! Oh, no!
Stop it, Billdozer! What's wrong with you today?
Yes, you're doing great, my beautiful creation. With this evil version of Billdozer, I'll turn everyone against the strongest anima car in town.
I'm in a real pickle. I have to call for help. This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. You have to make Billdozer stop. I was painting some benches by the town hall and he started destroying everything.
Billdozer, are you sure that doesn't sound like him?
I'm telling you, he's chasing me right now.
Leave it to me, Bob. I'll find out what's going on.
Hiya, Johnny. Ready for a mission, sir.
Billdozer, what are you doing? Bob just called to say that you were wreaking havoc in the city.
What? That's impossible. I've been on my post all day.
This is so weird. Bob was really convinced that it was you.
Let me go there and investigate, Johnny. I'll get to the bottom of this.
All right, buddy, I trust you.
Huh? There's no one here. Bob? Is that you?
Please don't hurt me.
Come on, Bob. It's me. What's going on?
You tell me. You really scared me earlier.
What are you talking about?
Don't act like you don't know. I just saw you leaving towards Katie's restaurant.
It seems like someone's pretending to be me. I have to stop him. Katie, what happened?
What happened? You happened.
What?
Don't play dumb with me, Billdozer. Where did you take my ice cream? Where?
I didn't do this, Katie. It must have been my evil twin. Huh?
Ugh.
Oh, if I don't stop this soon, everyone will hate me. Huh? What's that? Of course! The stolen ice creams must be melting. And he's leaving a trail. If I follow it, I'm sure I'll find the culprit.
Huh? You better bring me my ice cream back. Well done, little bull. Oh my, I'm so much smarter than I imagined.
Are you sure about that?
Huh? Well, if it isn't the most hated anima car in the world.
Your silly plan is over now, Vicky.
Really?
Huh? Oh,
What's going on? Are those rocks too big for you, Animaloser? Don't worry, your evil twin will make sure that no one forgets about you. Come on, let's get away from this fool. Bye-bye.
That crazy brat and a cheap fake anima bull. I'm never gonna get out of here on my own. I have to call Johnny for help.
Billdozer, everything okay?
Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has been causing chaos with an evil twin of me. And now she got me stuck.
Oh no, this is terrible. Got it. Don't worry, Billdozer. Activating power up.
Super drill. Amazing.
Let's see. Who can we annoy now?
Aha!
Huh? What's that?
Hello, Vicky. Long time no see.
No way. That animal fool got out of my trap. Well, if he doesn't want to learn his lesson, I'll make him.
Huh? Whoa! Yeah! Give up, Vicky. That old trick won't work with me again.
Don't worry, Katie. I'm sure you'll get your ice cream back. Oh no, he's back! The evil bull is back! There's two of them?
Okay, it's now or never. Ha!
Huh? No way.
Your little trip has come to an end, Vicky. Whoa!
Ow! Hey, let me out now!
Your ice cream is so good, Katie.
Thanks, Billdozer.
We're really sorry, Billdozer. We shouldn't have doubted you.
Don't worry, guys. Besides, we may look the same, but I'm definitely stronger than him.
You'll pay for this, animal losers.
Come on, Rhinotrux, we're almost done.
This is too much work for just two guys. We should hire someone. Huh? What was that?
Crocodile, what's going on?
Oh, watch out!
We need your help, and quick!
Ow! This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. Crocodile is destroying everything here. Send the rescue team.
That is strange. Okay, Bob. I'll look into it.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
Crocodile, Bob says that you're causing a mess at the construction site.
It can't be me. I was here the whole time.
I believe you, but you'll have to take Billdozer with you. This smells fishy.
Okay.
Trust me, Johnny. I'll make sure he behaves.
No, not again!
It's just us, Bob. You have nothing to worry about.
Yeah, right. Why did you destroy my building then?
Is that Rhinotrux?
Yes, but where is he?
Huh?
It's coming from that pile of junk.
Eh? Hello? My turn. You're good to go, Rhino.
Thanks, Billdozer. But you have to stop that Tracodile. He's out of control.
What? I'm telling you guys, I didn't do it.
There are 2 Tracodiles?
I knew it. Let's stop my evil twin, Billdozer.
Watch out!
He's gone!
I was looking for you.
Hi, Katie.
Don't play dumb with me, and help me take all the trash out of the road.
It wasn't me. It was my evil twin.
Do you really expect me to believe that? Get to work.
That was the last one, Katie.
All right, but don't you ever do that again.
Do you believe us now? Aha! We're close, but we need a plan in case he starts throwing things at us.
Don't worry, Draco. I have an idea.
Billdozer, how's the mission going?
Johnny, it turns out that Tracodile has an evil twin, but I need extra help to stop him.
Sure. Power up coming through.
Tracodile, get behind me.
Okay.
That won't work twice with us, pal.
Good idea, Billdozer.
It's your turn now, buddy.
Bye-bye, you fake. Ouch! That ought to hurt.
What should we do with him?
I know.
Thanks, guys. You got us a wonderful helper.
Oh. It has to be around here somewhere. I can feel it. Huh. Wow, there it is! The clone machine! I'd better try and see if it works. Wow, it does work! Ugh, this tastes awful! But one more cupcake is one more cupcake. What if I go through the machine? Then there will be a twin as handsome, smart, and cool as me. What's up, kiddo? You look awesome in those colors. Whoa!
What's up, Rhino?
You'd better take a look for yourself.
This is not good. Hang in there, Rhinotrux. Help is on the way. I should call Tracodile and see if he knows what's going on. That's strange. Hi, guys. We have a problem in the city. Some clones from Tracodile have appeared. You have to fix it.
All right. We'll take care of it.
Help me! Help!
Come on, Tight Ears. Let's do that trick we've been practicing. Let's go!
Thank you, guys! Hey, I'm the real one!
I know! I did it as punishment for creating those evil twins. They are just like you.
It's just that there was a machine that created clones and, I didn't know it was all gonna go so wrong.
Well, you can argue about that later. Now it's time to find and destroy that machine.
All right.
Come this way.
Split up. We need to find it and destroy it.
I think it should be around here. This is gonna be tricky. I'd better use my head. Now for the machine. Well, if I can't do it with this head, I'd better use another one.
Hi, Billdozer. How's the mission?
Well, let's just say that the mission is proving to be a headache.
I take it you want the power up?
Yes, please. Maybe with the wrecking ball.
No! Stop! Let me go!
Oh no, the clones! I'd better hide! Oh no! I should have destroyed the machine before they arrived, but I didn't have enough time!
Never! Right! I will!
I think my hits must have changed the machine configuration. Anyways, I'd better go and help them. Well done, guys. I'll take care of the machine.
No! If you destroy it, you'll make all the evil clones disappear, but you'll also make Tracky disappear.
Tracky? Did you give it a name?
I'm sure we can take them on.
But it's just a clone.
Yeah, I know, but with him around, I don't feel so lonely.
Lonely? When do you feel alone? If we are always with you.
Yeah, but you guys are big and you run fast. I'm different. And I don't know, sometimes I feel lonely.
We consider you to be just the same as us. And this is your chance to prove it. You can decide what to do next.
I'm so sorry, Tracky.
Well done, Crocodile!
Yeah, but Tracky's gone.
We are still with you. And who knows? Maybe we'll see him again someday.
Thanks for helping us, Billdozer. We couldn't have done it without you.
You know it, Bob. There's nothing that the bull can't pull.
We know, right, Dumb Lizard? Dumb Lizard? What?
Bob, no! I need to call Johnny for help.
Billdozer, did you manage to help Bob?
We got an emergency, Johnny. I don't know how, but our friends got frozen. I need backup to investigate.
I see. Don't worry, Bill. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny.
Batfly, Billdozer needs your help on the construction site.
Say no more, Johnny. We'll take care of it. Wow, it seems we got a chilly situation down here.
Batfly, I'm so glad you're here. I'll free our friends and then we'll find the person behind this.
Hi, Bob. How you feeling?
It's so chilly.
You're free now, Demolizard. Don't worry, guys. You'll get warm in a jiffy. Now let's investigate.
Let me check the skies to see if I can find something. It's a freezing machine. It's close to Vicky's hideout.
Vicky's hideout. Something smells fishy here.
Look who it is. Give her a drill, Billy boy. The animal losers, what are you doing here?
A little thank you wouldn't hurt, you know.
All right, while you're here, help me turn off my machine.
Your machine?
Yes, I created it to make infinite ice cream, but it has started to fall. If you want to switch it off, you have to press that button. And be quick. We're lucky that thing hasn't spotted us yet.
Do you think you could hit it with your boomerang, Batfly? We're kind of far.
Leave it to me, Bill. I can do this. So close.
Batfly! Whoa! Huh? Come on. I have to be quick. Fly away, Batfly! Fly away!
This is bad. If I don't want to miss, I have to get closer.
Hi, Batfly. What do you need?
Johnny, a freezing machine was causing this chaos. I'm facing it, but I need to be faster. Can you help me?
Of course. Activating Power Up.
Here we go. Don't mess with my friends, you iron junk. Get this! Yes! Bullseye! You did it! I don't believe you. Yeah. But we have another problem here. All right, I'll help you, but don't get used to it.
Thanks, girls. You freed me.
Actually, it was Vicky. All right, now get out of my property, anima dum-dums.
Oh.
What are you doing, Tag Ears?
Crocodile, what's gotten into you?
Hey, buddy. Everything okay?
Stop chasing me, please!
Chase you? What do you mean?
Wow!
What?
Great job, my sweet pets. Stolen ice cream is the best.
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny! Vicky has created an army of evil animacars.
Are you all right, buddy? Tigers, are you there?
Hi, Johnny!
Draco, Vicky's wreaking havoc again and Tigers is in trouble.
I'll take care of it.
You shut up, kitty.
Thanks, pal.
Get the ice cream and let's go. We'll deal with them later.
We can't let him escape.
You are not going to get away so easily.
But we haven't done anything.
Yeah, the real culprits have just fled.
I don't believe it. Huh?
Where did they go?
I don't know, but we need to find them as soon as possible.
All right.
Oh, they're nowhere to be found.
Hey, look!
I think we should follow that trail.
Let's go. There they are. We have to get them.
Wait, I have a problem.
Huh?
I'm stuck. I'm gonna need some extra power to free myself.
I know exactly who you can call for that.
Hi, Tigers.
Hi, Johnny. I need some help to stop those evil twins.
All right, pal. Activating power up.
Finally! Now let's stop our evil twins. Stop right there.
Go get them.
Traco, you take care of evil Traco.
It's a deal. Not bad, but take this.
I did it! And now it's time to help Crocodile.
Surrender now! Thanks, pal.
Stop right there, both of you. them alone. We won't let you trick us anymore. And now, you'd better give me back my ice cream. All right, all right.